Why does your scanner show the P1125 engine code? What does it mean? P1125 is a diagnostic trouble code for throttle position sensor intermittent. It indicates that the PCM has detected that the accelerator pedal position sensor 1 and sensor 2 signal circuits are out of correlation with each other. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This code is caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty throttle position sensor. Throttle body problems. ECM issues. Accelerator pedal position sensor problems. Vacuum leaks or power supply issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Land Rover, Ford, Peugeot, and Citroën. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.